Member, the Honorable Majimbo Kalasinga, the member for Kabuchai, the member who's now famous for Clause 169 of the finance bill that never existed. He has a problem with listening. Because when, Honorable Speaker, I spoke here, I addressed a particular issue, Honorable Speaker.
Let's hear his point of order.
Honorable Speaker, I'm on a point of order. Okay, so he should be guided that when I'm on a point of order, you take your seat, relax. You cannot be on a point of order when I'm on a point of order. I finished my point of order.
I didn't actually realize on a point of order.
Yes, I was on a point of order. This is not like Clause 169. Now I'm talking about serious business of the House. We are not on Clause 169 now.
Kalasinga, I will give you an opportunity.
Honorable Speaker, the member has a problem of listening. Because when I rose on a particular statement raised by the member for Machakos, and I was particular on the member for Machakos. I never mentioned the member of Clause 169. I mentioned the member member for Machakos County. And I spoke about the issue that was in court. Because Honorable Joyce Kamene, and you can see she appreciates. Because we are here to help each other. And even for you, you should seek guidance from the Speaker. But you don't just stand and say the majority leader has said this is a matter that is under. I have not mentioned anything to do with you. And I cannot mention because there is no Clause 169 even on this matter.
Yes, and Honorable Kalasinga, I am the one who actually declined to allow your statement after I reviewed it. And I sought concurrence from the table office, and they agreed. Yes, proceed.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, you know, I first started by appreciating you for actually ascending to this statement. I'll be accordingly advised by this Parliament, Madam Speaker, as you have just proceeding. In case tomorrow, the following day, it's approved that this matter, which is different from Madam Joyce Kamene's, is not in the active court, Madam. It will come back this floor, Madam Speaker. There's nothing wrong about that. But Madam Speaker, my leader of majority, I demand respect from him. Madam Speaker, when he has continuously mentioned me over that Clause 169. And it's clear, Madam Speaker, that I want to put these records clear here. Clear, in front of you, Madam Speaker. On page 966 of the finance bill, Article 1A, Clause 31, Sub-Article 169, talks about Mitumba, Madam Speaker. Why is Kimani Ichung'wah thinking he's the overall head boy of this House? Madam Speaker, I'm not a young boy in this school here. This is not a school to come here and do that, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I've been irritated to that level. Let him open that finance bill that we completed it. Check page 966.
Okay.
Article 1A, Clause 31, number 9.
I will close this issue. Honorable